For this week's assignment, we were to create a student directory of the past 5 cohorts for CMCI Strategic Communication Design. Let me just walk you through it a little bit. So as you can see, I have my header, my search bar. My search bar, you can type in it, but I could not figure out how to get it to function. So that is something that I've continued to work on, but I'll find that out soon. But anyways, I was able to um, make a table for each cohort by number and then first, last name, as well as the home state where they're from. So I know where my current cohort is from, but in the previous years, was did not have access to that information, so I made them up. But as you can see, it's the same kind of layout for each cohort. And if we go to the code, so we were utilizing Bootstrap for this project. Bootstrap's really awesome. It's full of templates that make coding pretty easy. So from here, I was able to add this Jumbotron div class, and that is what this whole header hero area is. And then from there, I was able to do these tables in order to do my list of names. So I made columns of number or pound symbol, and then first, last, and home state. So as you can see, each one of these tags is one person, their name, their first name, their last name, and their home state. And then from there, I just copied and pasted. And then you can see here is where the break is for the next cohort. I just used a simple button for the cohort break, just so that you could see where the next cohort actually is. So yeah, it was actually pretty straightforward, and it showed me that Bootstrap is pretty awesome. Once you kind of figure it out, it was, just plug and play, which is great. And then figuring out the big thing with figuring out Bootstrap at the very beginning is starting out with the template that they have on their web page with all these script tags, and how important these are to call in the different codes. So the basically all the JavaScript codes that make it look the way it does. So that is my student directory. Thanks.